check. I know it's hard to see, but there's a red-winged blackbird sitting on that doe's head. Look at it. The craziest thing I've ever seen. And she's just walking with it. That's on its head. It's not pecking her or anything. Huh. She doesn't care I'm sitting here. She must have a baby someplace. Look at that thing. Freaking nuts. Yeah, is it gonna land on it? Is it gonna land on it? Oh, she's gonna come right down. Dang it. Oh, there's still another one on there. She's gotta have a baby in here somewhere. It just flew up there. Hey, Mama. What's up? Is there a baby in here somewhere? My tame ones.